Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter advanced and let's tap on the developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so let's check it and let's get back to this video. So if we are in the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates option, so which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it, and since it is active, your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.